here with Miss Dig 811. I am here with Mackenzie. How are you doing, Mackenzie?
I'm doing great, thank you.
That is awesome. So, Mackenzie, I am talking to fellow Miss Dig colleagues about the importance of Miss Dig and using Miss Dig. So, what would you tell the general public about why they should use Miss Dig when they're doing any type of excavation?
It's easy, it's free. There's really not a lot of effort to it. You can call or place a ticket online, and it protects your safety, so why would you not do it? It's kind of a no-brainer.
I like that. Now, how can somebody reach Miss Dig? What are the ways that they can reach Miss Dig to place a ticket and to do their excavation project properly?
You can either go to our website or you can call 811.
That is awesome. Thank you so much, Mackenzie.